Good morning, Beckett Hills Elementary. I am Melissa Kelly, your SEA president.
And I'm Owen Terry, your SAO secretary, and this is the news for Monday, November 18th, 2019.
Today is National Mickey Mouse Day. This is a very exciting day for Mrs. Cruz and Mrs. Reichert.
Mickey Mouse was created by Walt Disney in 1928. Mickey's first cartoon to succeed in theaters was Steamboat Willie, which was one of the first cartoons with sound. It premiered on this day in 1928.
Today's word of the day is reveal. To reveal something is to show it or make it known.
At the end of the school year, Miss Collins reveals the special artwork that will hang in the hallway.
There are two shout-outs for Mrs. Beyer.
She sends a shout-out to Kavion from Miss Yutza's room and Jaden from Mrs. Person's room. Both of these first-grade students are true gentlemen. They always hold the door open for me and the other students in our group, showing their husky best.
Mrs. Byer's next shout-out is from Jaden in Miss Wayne's class. Jaden always has a good attitude, does his best, and is ready to learn.
Here's a shout-out to Maya Anderson in Mrs. Wayne's class for showing kindness to her classmates. Mrs. Wayne is proud of you.
This is Alyssa Kelly
and Owen Terry. Remember, be respectful,
be responsible,
be ready to learn.
It's the Husky way every day. Have a great day.